Hi, and welcome to Nisi's Food Journey, and today I really want some homemade half-sour pickles. They're pretty easy to make. These are refrigerator quick pickles. And we're going to start with some small cukes. We're going to wash them and cut the ends off. And then we're going to slice them into spears. I'll have a recipe in the description box, the recipe we used for this. We're going to make a salt water brine. So we need some salt and some water. I unfortunately did not have any fresh dill in the house. Oh no, I was kind of mortified when I discovered that. We had to use dried dill, unfortunately. But you do what you can. You want to shake it up, and you want to keep shaking until all the salt dissolves. I'm going to go in some mustard seed. And some coriander seed. And some whole peppercorns, and some minced garlic. Go ahead and add all this into a mason jar. This is a pretty large mason jar. It fits the pickles perfectly. Give it a little bit of a shake just to combine everything. This is when you would add the fresh dill, and of course we're going to add our cucumbers now into the brine solution, and then we're just going to top with filtered water. It's a very, very quick and easy process, let me tell you. It doesn't get much easier than this. You don't even have to heat anything up, no cooking involved. Give it a shake, form a seal, put it in the fridge, and wait overnight. Voila, it's the next night. I have a pastrami sandwich and I really want a half-sour pickle to go with it. Let's see how these pickles turned out, huh? Great color. Good texture. Nice crunch and a delicious flavor. I hope you give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you can join me on my future food journeys.